Let me even tell you something. If you know that one of your major issue, right, when you just go out like this in the sun, right, your face go just red. Do you understand? Some people can just be at home, their skin go dey okay o, but as soon as they come out like this, they enter sun like this, before they come back out, face don red, face don burn. Do you get? So this routine will actually help you to tackle that and stop that. Let's clear your redness and sunburn in 7 days. Yes, when I say 7 days, 7 days. You're going to clear any sunburn and redness on your face, right? Now, one thing you don't know is that clearing sunburn is actually and redness on the face is actually easy. But most people miss it when it comes to the right approach. Now, knowing the right approach will actually help you to clear any redness and sun demarcation on your face. And it's very, very easy. When I say easy, it's the easiest thing ever. You see this 2026, your face must clear. Oh. Do you understand? If you're following me here, you're my subscriber, you will definitely have a clear skin. And that's why I'm going to show you the best approach in clearing sunburn. Sunburn is the most easiest thing for you to treat. Only if you know the right approach on how to clear it. It's quite simple. And I'm going to teach you in this video. Now, one thing you need to know is what actually led to that sunburn. Sunburn can be caused by several reasons, trust me. Now, most importantly, the common ones are exposure to sun for too long. Maybe they stay for sun for too long. You sell something in the sun. The worst one is you're using lightening product and you face cream and you dey waka about for sun. Possibly you sell in the market, or you're selling something that actually exposes your skin to the sun every time, and you're walking around without sunscreen. Do you understand? You're going to get sun damage. Now, when it comes to redness, trust me, is your own sign of telling for your skin trying to tell you that I'm tired. This is your own way of your skin fighting back. Do you understand? That means you've abused your skin with either harsh product or harsh skincare product or harsh face cream for a very long period of time, or you've noticeably ignore that this my skin is being traumatized. Now there are some people that when they are using certain face cream, and the face cream they lighten them, they give them some kind of lightening effect, or they like the way their face is looking. Trust me, even though they are having redness on their eyes, they'll still be using it. Do you understand? So that signs, the initial sign you're seeing that this thing is too harsh for me, but you insist in using it, that's what will lead to what? Intense redness on your face. Why? Because your skin is already tired, it's irritated, it's traumatized. Do you understand? Now let me show you the best approach on how to clear the redness in 7 days and the sunburn in 7 days. And you see, this approach is the most easiest approach and it works like fire. It works like fire. That redness sunburn on your face is going to clear sharp, like no time. Do you understand? So now the first thing, I'm going to show you just few products. It's very easy to use, very easy to understand. You don't need to do too much, yet you're getting results. Do you understand? Now, the first thing you need to understand is this. Now, I'll be showing you like a cocktail of product that you're going to use morning and night. And trust me, it's the easiest routine. Nothing too serious. Very, very simple. And yet it will clear your skin. Do you understand? Now, the first thing I want you to get is that the first product I will introduce you to that will actually help to clear that redness and sunburn from your face is this particular cream. Now, this is the Bakuchiol cream from Equal Berry. Now you see this particular cream is a 10/10 minus nothing. This works for redness and sunburn. Now, why would this help you with redness? Bakuchiol is a very, very natural form of retinol, right? Bakuchiol is a plant extract that is a natural form of retinol, right? Retinol works for the skin. Retinol can be very irritating even when you have redness, but trust me, you see this product is very soothing. It calms irritation, inflammation and redness on your face. This will suit your skin, repair your skin and repair that damage and trauma that your skin is going through. Now, most times when you have redness, you know your face is very sensitive. You have a very sensitive skin already, so this contains ceramide that will actually help to build your skin barrier while helping you to calm that redness on your face, the inflammation. It could be like magic for your face. The moment you start using this product, you notice that any redness, irritation, your skin will not be even prone to sensitivity. The reason why this product, whatsoever I'm showing you here, is going to work 10/10 for you is because it's actually going to stop your skin from reacting. Do you understand? It's also going to stop your skin from being very sensitive. Do you understand? Because when your skin is too sensitive and reacting too much, that's when you tend to have irritation and redness easily on your skin. So if you can approach that and stop that, trust me, you've solved 99% of your problem. Now, so you're going to get this Bakuchiol cream and use, right, on your face as your cream. This is your moisturizer. This is your moisturizer both morning and night. Now I will show you a few other products you can use with this product to back it up to give you a more effective result. Remember, we are clearing sunburn and redness and sunburn. Now this also works for sunburn. Why? Because it's also a very good product that actually help not just to calm your skin, it also helps to get rid of any darkening on your face. Now this will not just only get rid of sunburn and redness on your face, this also is an antioxidant. It's very good because it helps to stimulate collagen. Now one thing you need to understand, in while clearing all of those things on your face, you need to stimulate collagen. Why? Because you need to regenerate your needs, you need to regenerate new skin cells. Regenerating new skin cells will actually help you to get rid of that pigment on your skin, that redness on your skin, and also help your skin to heal really fast. Now this contains a very potent antioxidant. Now while stimulating your skin, that will actually help you to heal your skin, thereby helping you to get rid of any sort of discoloration, redness and sensitivity you're having. Now is an important product to actually incorporate. Now I'm going to show you a product that you can incorporate with this particular product that can actually help you to see results like in no time. Trust me. Now the target is 7 days for you to be able to get rid of that pigment. Target is 7 days. So for you to actually get that result in 7 days, I'll be showing you other products that can actually work with this product to help you to get rid of it ASAP. Remember, the target is 7 days, right? We don't want to exceed 7 days. We want to see significant result on our face while clearing the sunburn and the redness on your face. Now the other products you're going to incorporate to boost the effectiveness of this product for you to get like a really serious, for you to get like a really fast result while treating your redness and sunburn on your face, is for you to incorporate product like what? Azelaic acid. Now this is the Nihilist Azelaic acid 10%. This actually contains niacinamide, snail extract, also contains snail filtrate that is very good in soothing the skin and also calming your skin. Now the niacinamide here also is an antioxidant. It also helps to soothe the skin and also help your redness and pigmentation on your face, sunburn, the demarcation you're having on your face. Now one thing you need to know about this product, is very soothing, right? It helps to calm your skin down and also help stop your skin from reacting anyhow. You know, when you have a very sensitive skin and you're prone to redness, anything where you just apply like this, your skin will just red. Do you understand? If you fall in that category, this is going to stop that for you like ASAP. It's going to stop your skin from reacting. It's going to stop your skin from being too sensitive to the weather. There's some level of redness and irritation we go get for your face or sunburn if you if you even come outside face sun. Do you understand? If you come outside, if you apply anything for your face, every your face will be burning, you'll be having irritation, itchiness, dryness, on all of those things. When you face sun or you face weather and a problem, do you understand? This is going to stop all of those sensitivity of your skin and actually help to soothe your skin and also calm your skin down. If you're having that burning sensation, your skin they burn, you feel like see your skin they burn. Maybe if you enter sun, you near fire or all of those things. This is going to stop that for you, to calm that irritation. And this particular product will actually even boost the effectiveness of this of the Bakuchiol cream, thereby helping the Bakuchiol cream to even work even better on your skin and also giving you an extra benefit. Extra benefit. Do you understand? Boost the antioxidant levels, stimulate collagen, give you a smoother texture, and also help you if you're someone that you're oily skin, right? Maybe your acne prone oily skin, is going to help to control oil on your skin and also stop the acne breakout simultaneously. So you're getting a lot of benefit while using this combination. Do you understand? So one thing about azelaic acid is that one thing I love about azelaic acid is that it actually helps your skincare product to work not just better, it actually help your skin to work better. Do you understand? There are certain stage of damaged skin barrier you're going to get when you notice that your skin is not functioning. Anything you use, they work, but this will actually make any product you are using to work well for you. Now, so this is it. Now, apart from azelaic acid, let me show you just 2 other products I want you to use in this routine. The reason I'm doing this, trust me, I want you to get results like fast. Do you understand? I want you to build a solid routine, like a cocktail of routine that will just eliminate that redness and sunburn on your face like in no time. And you're going to thank me later. Trust me, you're going to be so happy because your skin is going, It's not just going to clear your skin go dey pop like this. You go love your skin. That redness and sunburn wey dey think say e no go leave your face, e go leave sharp sharp. Your face go dey glow, even you go dey shock. You go say, na my face be this. Your face go, this 2026, my sister, you go get clear skin. Oh, na by fire by force you go get clear skin. Like, I got you, you're going to get clear skin. Like, even you will be amazed at the results after using this thing. 7 days, you know, they pass that 7 days, your skin go, you go start to see results. Do you understand? And the cocktail of this product, they work like magic. They work like fire. Do you get? Now is green tea. Now this is the Beauty by Johnson green tea. Hey God, hey bestie, sis, you see this product, it dey work. Like, I've had so many clients that have put on this product that have redness, irritation, sensitivity, ASAP. They tell me, say, Kai, this thing, immediately I started using this serum, I do not have redness again, I don't have sunburn again, I don't have irritations again on my face. My face is calm. My face is giving. Now, this will not only clear redness or help your skin to be calm. This will actually help you to reduce sunburn on your face. Now, this also help in clearing sunburn on your face. The reason why, because green tea is a very good tyrosine inhibitor. Now green tea is anti-inflammatory, right? Green tea is a very good tyrosine that help to get rid of pigment. Now, green tea is an antioxidant. So just imagine your routine. Your routine is fire. Your routine is fire. Now, one important reason why antioxidant is very, very beneficial when it comes to clearing redness and sunburn, you need to build the strength of your skin. If your skin no strong, where, to be honest, you're not going to be sick, and it cannot be able to fight all of those issues you're having. Do you understand? You need to be your skin need to be strong to withstand some of those things. Do you understand? Free radicals and all of those things when you go to this, because the more you're treating it, the reason why you see say you go they treat someone, you know, they go, you go, they still they come back. It's because there's no antioxidant in your routine. Basically, that's the answer. Because one thing is that when you treat it, it will still come back. When you don't have antioxidant, sure, nothing will stop them. It will come back. If you not build a solid routine around it, it will come back. Do you understand? But antioxidant now will protect your skin, stop it from coming back. Not just that, the antioxidant also will not just stop it from coming back. The antioxidant will also help to build your skin, stimulate collagen, and also protect your skin from free radicals, more further damage. Because you always go out, you still go out, you still face the sun, you still face the weather at the end of the day. So you need to build a solid routine that can actually help you to eliminate not just that, and maintain the results. Now, one good thing about this routine, they will not just clear your skin, they will also help you to maintain the results, and you continue skinning. Your skin will continue skinning. There's no two ways about it. Do you understand? Now, incorporating green tea in this routine is a 10 over 10 minus nothing. It's a win-win. This will calm your redness, help with the traumatized skin. This will also help with inflammation on your skin, right? Because your skin is seeing that as a wound, as an inflammation, as a trauma. So you need to calm that down. You need to stimulate your skin for your skin to believe that, yes, so my skin is calm. Do you understand? That's the best way. You see this product, they are fire. But I'm going to teach you the best way on how to use this product to get results, right? Because you're not using it well, definitely you're not going to get results. Do you understand? So you have to use it the right way. Now, what's your morning routine going to look like? Now, let me fix your morning routine for you. Now, for morning routine, wash your face with a gentle face wash. Then go ahead and use your face toner, right? This is the Wonder Toner. If you cannot use, right, just make sure you use something to hydrate your skin. If you cannot get this, if you can get this, is an added advantage. But if you cannot get this, you can use any other toner. You can use any other toner you're having to hydrate your skin. Make sure your skin is hydrated. It's a very important part. Your skin has to be hydrated. Like, I can't overemphasize this. Do you understand? Before going in with your routine, actually. Now, go in with your Bakuchiol cream. The reason why you're using this product in the morning is just like a vitamin C. Do you understand? It's a very good antioxidant that actually protects your skin. This actually help you to reverse sun damage and protect your skin. Do you understand? Against sun damage, and also help to calm redness. You know, most times when you have redness, the worst part, do you know one thing? When you have redness, you cannot go out in the sun. If you go out for sun like this, if you know, say, let me even tell you something. If you know that one of your major issue, right, when you just go out like this in the sun, right, your face go just red. Do you understand? Some people can just be at home, their skin go dey okay, but just they come out like this, they enter sun like this, before they come back out, face don't red, face don't burn. Do you get? So this routine will actually help you to tackle that and stop that. Like this particular product now, we go help you stop her. This routine will stop it for you. Do you understand? That's why you're using it during the daytime, so that you not be, you know, go can't go out, can't go somewhere, go greet person, or you go somewhere, go do something, your face go dey red. People go just dey look you like, what is, do you understand? You'll not even be comfortable. Let's be honest. That will really affect your self-esteem, because you just know that your face will be red, obviously. So you want to use this in the morning, so that you stop that redness you're having, and you can be confident to go anywhere you want to go to. So remember your toner. This is your morning routine, oh, your Bakuchiol. Then you're going to go and use your, after this Bakuchiol, use your sunscreen. So three things in the morning, not too much. You know they do too much. Just three things in the morning. Do you understand? Three things in the morning. Right? Now at night, wash your face again. Apply, now at night, wash your face again. Apply your toner. If you don't have a toner, huh? Can't get access to this toner. If you have any other toner, I told you you can use it. The only advantage of this toner is that it can actually help you to build your skin barrier. Why? Because you need all the repair you can get in that period. Or you use aloe vera gel. Do you understand? You can use aloe vera gel to just hydrate your skin. Now the next thing you want to do, you want to go in with your green tea serum. Now after using your toner, just go ahead and use your green tea serum. After using your green tea serum, apply it on your face. Allow it to sink into your skin for like 1 minute or 30 seconds. It don't have to be completely dry. Your face don't have to completely, allow it to be still damp. Do you understand? Before you go in with the next product. So the next product you're going to apply is your azelaic acid, right? Use your azelaic acid on your face. The next thing you're going to use your azelaic acid on your face after your green tea. So after you use your azelaic acid 10% on your face, you're going to moisturize your skin. Now you can either, you will need to moisturize your skin. Now if you have a light, if you're someone that is acne prone skin, if you have a lightweight moisturizer, something that will not clog your pore, you can go ahead and apply it. Now if you're somebody that have a dry skin, you have like a very good moisturizer, you can still go ahead. But trust me, if you don't have moisturizer, just go ahead and use your aloe vera gel. Use your aloe vera gel on your face. It's okay. Just seal it with aloe vera gel. This is even better because it actually helps to soothe your skin and also help to calm your skin even better. Do you understand? And reduce any form of inflammation. When you wake up in the morning, baby girl, your skin will be so lovely, so glowy, and redness where, sunburn where. Like when you wake up in the morning, you'll be shocked. Like every morning when you wake up, you will definitely be seeing results. And in 7 days, you'll see a very significant result. Now, if you're still here at this time, my dear, still here at this time, my dear, that means you find this video really, really interesting and you're a family already. So don't forget to subscribe, follow this page, and also share to people that you know that have sunburn, redness on your face, on their face, so that they can actually get solution from this video. Bye for now.